Hey guys, how's it going? In a previous video, we have talked about on how we can interact with the SQL database, and in this video, I'm going to show you about Django Admin. So Django has a very cool feature which called the Django Admin, and basically it's a admin panel which we can use to manage our data inside our project database. So here we can go to our localhost 8000 /admin, and we can see there is a login form, and this login form will actually take us into our admin panel. So here the question is how we can log in into our administration panel. So first we can open up our terminal and create a new terminal, and here we can say python manage.py and create super user. So this command will create a new super user, which is basically a user that allows us to log in into the dashboard panel, because not every user can access to admin panel, right? So if we run this and it asks us for our username, I go ahead to use Rahman Fadil, and the email I leave it empty, and the password should be your password. And it said that the password is too short because I use 12345, and I can bypass my password validation if I want to. And yeah, the super user is created successfully. Now we can open up our administration panel again, and we can say our username and the password. And if we click login, then we can see a nice administration panel. So here we can see that we have tables like users right here, and we have all of our users, and here we also have our groups, and we don't see our to-dos data. And why is that? Because if we want our model to show inside this administration panel, we can register it first. So first we can open up our admin.py, and here it says register your models here. So first we need to import our model first from models import to do, and here we can say admin.site.register and our to do. So if we refresh our admin site, we can see our to dos. So if we click this, and we can see that all of our to dos object, if we click one of those, and here we can see the title and the is completed, and we actually can edit this record and also delete this record if I want to. So maybe I want to delete this third object, delete, and I'm sure, and now the to do object is gone. So if we go to our home page, we hit refresh, now we can see our React.js to do is gone. Then we can also create a new to do. Maybe we call it learn Vue.js like this, and we hit save, and here we got the fourth to do, and we get learn Vue.js, and maybe I want to change this into learn Angular like this. So if we save it and we go to our object 4 again, we can see that this data is updated. Now if we go to homepage again, we hit refresh, and we can see our learn Angular. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to give you some nice tips right here for our Django admin. So here in our models, we can actually create a method which called _str, and we get the self, which is our class, and here we want to return something which is self.title. So if we do this right now and go to our administration, and here we can see that instead of using the to-do objects and the primary key, we can see our title like this. So here, instead of using the Python interactive shell, you can actually create, delete, or update to-do with the Django administration tool without using the command line. So that is a very, very cool feature from Django, because we don't need to actually create our own administration tool for the non-tech user. So in that way, we can save us a lot of time. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.